Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2016 Toyota RAV4 LE. This is a 5-passenger SUV in white, and under the hood you'll find a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder driving on 17-inch wheels. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our panic button. Press the unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. On the bottom you'll find some storage space. Above that you have your power windows and locks. And next to the door you will find your power mirrors. This RAV4 is equipped with all-weather mats and black cloth seating. And on the bottom you will find your manual seating adjustment handles. Taking a look on the left side of the steering wheel, here you'll find your volume options as well as these arrows to help you control the entertainment screen. On the right side, you have your hands-free calling and this display button, which allows us to navigate through the multi-information display. And while we're up here, just to show you, this RAV4 does have 91,506 kilometers. Behind the wheel, you'll find your cruise control settings. Moving on to our entertainment system. Right now we're on the Bluetooth option. All we got to do is press media. That'll cycle through your CD and Bluetooth. Here you have your hands-free calling as well. Underneath, you have your climate control system. You've got these nice smooth turning dials. Nothing complicated. You have your AC button in here as well. Underneath, you'll find your different drive modes. Here you have your USB and auxiliary and your 12-volt outlet. Continuing, we have some storage space, a cup holder, and behind the shifter you have another cup holder. And lastly, on the passenger side you do have this nice little convenient shelf. Taking a look inside the back here, in the bottom you have some storage space. Continuing with the black cloth seating, we look inside. Behind the front passenger and driver's seat, you do have some pockets for some extra storage. If we pull this down, you have nice little armrests as well as 2 cup holders. And these seats do fold down. All we got to do is press that lever up, and that'll give you access to your cargo. So it'll open up. All we got to do is press this button right under that Toyota emblem. There's plenty of cargo space in the back of this RAV4. Of course, like I mentioned, rear seats do fold down, and that'll give you some extra bit of cargo space. If we look underneath here, you will find the tools to change your spare tire in case that ever goes out on you. To close up, we got this nice convenient handle up top. Just give that a gentle push. Taking a last look at our 2016 RAV4. Once again, some of those great interior features include your 5-passenger capacity seating, hands-free calling, and Bluetooth compatibility. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thanks for watching this walk-around video. My name's Christian, and as always, drive safe.